Good morning to all comrades. You see what went last night? Marky G beat the boy, Marky G beat the boy, Marky G beat the boy. And do this. You need to pack your bag now. Pack your bag and go in there. You need to go in the pit toilet. You know, let me tell you when I pit toilet, keep yourself calm. Come, you never know, so you go come on a platform. And a man showing birth of the king, Jamaican birth of the guy. You go say, never come about Jamaica with a Jamaican. But I know you where you are. And you want you are Bigfoot to let all this hour. If we is not a Jamaican, you is what hell we where you represent. Because we know about Jamaica, they are foreign, and if anything about deep water back at Jamaica. So all you have to tell the Jamaican people say because you are not a Jamaican. Or that's why you don't work with it like you're a Jamaican, because you hate Jamaica. That's why you spell Jamaica wrong. I say Jamaica. That's why you spell it wrong, and I say we not come. But we tell us some journalists, all we have to do, you can't win the election, you have to go. One Marky G, we say one Marky G. One Marky G.
Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and watch the ads. Yes, guys. Now for now watch the video button and now like up the video. Remember that free no man. Yeah man, respect to who I like it up still. Big up on yourself. Anyway guys, we are talk about you know yesterday the debate go on is it. So enough people say Marky G take the debate and enough people say Andrew Owens is it. Yeah, you see time when him just take out him birth certificate ticket, bro, at that time Andrew Owens gonna lose, you see me? Guys, put your thoughts in the comment section and tell me what you think, you see me? Yeah man.
Accounts that you received several $1 million in cash deposits from anonymous donors in your bank account, that your companies had transactions of over $400 million, several thousand transactions between them, and that Positive Jamaica Foundation, a non-profit which you are intimately connected with, provided resources which you use for personal investments through your personal company. We have signed the Leadership Code of Conduct developed by Integrity Commission. All of our spokespersons and myself have signed. None of your people have signed it. I am committed to ensuring that all members of the executive, when we form government, will have their Integrity Commission declarations published, not just the leader of the opposition and what should happen, but hasn't happened in your case because you're not certified, the Prime Minister. So the whole question that has been asked is an excellent question. And we really need to step up our vigilance against corrupt behavior, nepotism and cronyism. The volume of scandals under this Jamaica Labour Party government is unprecedented. Over the number of ministers who have had to be removed from frontline duty, many of them parked in the naughty corner in OPM rather than being sacked. It is a disgrace to the country, and your personal situation where you're operating under a deep cloud because your Integrity Commission declarations are not certified also is something which Jamaica cannot go forward with.
And subscribers, where I get this video under the comment section, I say, yo, no see say Marky G intelligent and him not read out and no book him attack from him art, you see me? Anyway, yo, now man have a next thing to talk up. I say, yo, you know, if you give Andrew Owens no more chance, you see me? Make Marky G get a chance, you know. Hear him off, say, guys, and you put your thought in the comment section, guys. Don't forget to like up the video, you know. Respect.
Me is a boy not follow politics, you know, but you see, if one ever make Andrew Owens win back this in this country, just know say it'll be a problem. 700 billion missing and all, they can't talk about it. But you don't want voting him back. You know, some mad people, yo, some are going to say I'll be mad people in Jamaica. If you don't vote him back, this is a government here. I mean, in a politics, I make sure talk is straight. But them are locked down on the scam of them with Mocha, but still them a thief. Right through. Just remember that 700 billion unaccountable for, and nobody know where they. And the last big money with them thief, what do you hear? 1.8 billion, 1 point how much billion. Say them buy for school bus. Yo, it's a disgrace.
Yeah man. This market really looks like the man for Nigeria. I want to see in the comment section how much I can find this one. And the modern one this man. So you have to buy it a long time. If I'm about my Prime Minister, I pick up the one here. I'm going to top chat. Because if you come and come show the modern one when you use to one that does and just go pay people up stuff with the 20. So that one here, time. Then I get that no fresh banana out of that one here. And look for me now. You can't find more than one, because that I want to see the next one I see in that type of thing. But me have more than one. Look at the next time. Look. Take from a little bit that up a little point gold. That the man from the debate, man. That's my little boy, if man, ban your man, an English man, this man, that. I mean, no matter where a person from, I mean, no matter how man looks. The first thing, the English. Come here, come strike some goal. And we make we see World Cup football and find that we don't see it back. Very early English is first man strike 1 million euro when we got World Cup. That's our only local man. Out of men we are one man. Cut to no fuck out, but we man ban now, who ban one good governance and not care who have got to give it. I want to see if I enjoy argument done. Yeah, man.
Subscribers, the next part of video or the next part of clip I'm going to show you right now, you see it is about a meeting we go on in Manchester, you see me, and you know, he man talk up some things about the black tank, them, you see it, he must say, yo, them forgive a long time, you see it, every constituency should have got, I believe, 150, and some people never get it, so I don't know, them say they might use them brain and don't want to give them away, you see me? And you say if you're not pastor picking, if you're not big shot, you're not get them, you see me? You hear me officer guys, and I don't know. Tell me what you think I real made this match at Arwa. Listen it first, I want to put in the comment section and tell me what you think, guys.
Passing.
Backyard top.
Backyard top.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Comrades, those black pants are taxpayers' money. It was a program that was initiated by the present Prime Minister, and every member of Parliament should have been gotten 150 black tanks. Northeast Manchester did not get their black tanks. So it is the black tank that we taxpayers' money buy have been distributed now to the Labourites.
No councillor, man.
Comrades, don't be fooled.
One crip everything.
Because in order for you to get a black tank, you have to be passing picking it.
Yeah, man.
And if you don't get no black tank, it means that you don't want to pick it. Because they say pass Crystal and pick me first.
Yeah.
So if you are Labourite and you don't get no black tank, it means that you are not one of the picking it. The other thing that they are doing, comrades, in order for you to get the black tank, you have to carry your ID. And you have to show them, and you have to make sure say you is a Labourite. That is what is happening with the black tanks. So comrades, we have paid our tax. The Parish Council has given me some money, and we never fixed PNP road, or we never fixed Labourite road, we fixed the community road.
That is it.
So Labourite benefit,
That is it.
PNP benefit, no P at all benefit. So I don't know how they come in to say persecution and picking it us. So they will come to you with all kind of things.
True.
And comrades, let me tell you, don't be fooled.
Don't be fooled.
Don't be fooled. Because what they are doing is all kind of things. And how can you be paying your own people to come out and vote? It means that they weren't doing anything all this time.
All this time.
So if you have been in power for 32 years, then your work should speak for you.
Exactly.
And there is no legacy that we have seen in Allison that this government has done for 32 years.
No, not all.
Comrades, let me tell you this. We need to do the maths. For the past 32 years, we have a member of parliament. Within that 32 years, we have 2 councillors, PNP councillors, who serve 5 years. And comrades, so we minus 10 years out of the 32, it means that Labourite was in charge for 22 years. And it was under the PNP when you get this road.
Yeah, man.
It was under the PNP when they had a road over the office. So every time a PNP councillor come to Allison, something is done.
Yeah, man.
Every time a PNP councillor pass through Allison, you can see some good work.
Sure.
So comrades, in closing, I want you to make the right choice. I want you to tell your neighbor, I want you to tell your friend that on election day, put the X beside the head. Comrades, the word is love.
Now viewers and subscribers, thanks so much for watching. You see it, me I go left you know the last piece of clip when him take out him birth every ticket is me the all one to, you know. That means say him born a real man. You see me? And you know, like, share, subscribe.
I think the Prime Minister repeated innuendo or direct attack which has been leveled by his party on my nationality. And you know, I just wanted to just make it absolutely clear that I am indeed born here as a Jamaican. Here is my birth certificate, and it shows I was born at the University Hospital on July 19th, 1965, and it's right here. I hope your camera can pick it up. And I have a copy for you, Prime Minister, right here. And I wish you could provide me with a copy of your certification, but of course you can't do so. Now, on the question of tax,